welcome back to another video. It's Lydia. Thanks for tuning in, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I would love you if you do, and hit that bell button too to be a part of the notification crew. And notification squad, comment down below and let me know you're here. You know the drill. Let me know you're here and I'll show you some love in the comments down below. But for today's video, actually before we jump into today's video, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my hair. So I'm like on day 4 of my wash and go, and if you guys saw my last video, this is the same wash and go, and it's basically with the Allocate Natural styling products, their aloe berry gel and their lemongrass leave-in. And personally, if I'm looking at my hair in the mirror, and if I can kind of see it in the viewfinder, my hair doesn't look how it normally would if I was using some of my Holy Grail products. And yeah, day 4, this isn't really what my normal day 4 hair looks like. I feel like the definition is kind of lost in the front. It's starting to get a little frizzy and poofy. It doesn't feel as moisturized. So that's just a little update for those of you who did see that video, and if you haven't seen that video, go check it out because there definitely are some products from that video that I've fallen in love with as well. But anyways, enough with the Allocate Natural stuff. Now let's get into the video at hand. So for today's video, I basically wanted to share with you guys my tips and the things that I like to do if I know that I'm going to be going to swim in the pool or in the ocean. So basically how I protect my hair from like pool water or salt/ocean water. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so the first thing that I like to do is make sure that I kind of pre-soak and pre-wet my hair. So what I'll do is I'll just spray my hair with some water, and basically what you want to do is get your entire hair completely saturated. You know, I don't even know why I'm trying to be cute. Let me go to my sink or my tub and really wet my hair because this is going to take me forever. But the first tip is for sure to wet and pre-soak your hair, and once I wet it, I'm going to explain to y'all why I do that. So my hair is nice and saturated, and essentially the reason why I like to make sure my hair is nice and saturated is so that my hair, it'll already be filled with the water from whatever shower, sink, whatever tub you used, as opposed to like the chlorine or the salt water. And think of it like this: if you have like a dry sponge and you put that in water, it's gonna soak up all the water that you just put it in. However, if you put a wet sponge in water, it's only gonna soak up a little bit of that water. So that's kind of why I like to pre-wet my hair, and it also makes the next step a lot easier. And the next step basically involves you protecting your hair, whether that's with an oil, a leave-in, a regular conditioner, whatever. Sometimes I use all 3, sometimes I combine 2 of them. So what I'll typically do is I'll use a little bit of like a heavier type of oil, such as like this Jamaican black castor oil. It's the one by Sunny Isle. This video isn't sponsored. I'm just sharing with you guys the products that I actually use. And I'll go in with some of this black castor oil, and I'll usually combine it with some type of a leave-in. So usually you can use leave-ins that are silicone free if you really don't like to use silicones, or you can use leave-ins or regular conditioners that do have silicones in them. The thing about silicones that is actually helpful for when you do go into the pool or the ocean or whatever is that those silicones really act as a barrier and prevent some of those harsh waters from getting into your hair and drying your hair out. And the good thing is that even if you do have silicones in your hair before you go into the pool or the ocean, you're gonna end up washing your hair once you get out of the pool or the ocean. So all of those silicones are gonna pretty much wash right out if you are using a good enough and clarifying shampoo. And the leave-ins that I guess I would recommend to y'all that I have, honestly you can use whatever leave-ins, but the ones that I just picked up kind of at first sight is the Tropical Moringa Sealing Cream, or if you are balling on a budget, I would say the Garnier Fructis 1 Minute Hair Mask. These also double as a leave-in. Or if you really are on a budget, this has silicone in it, so if you don't like to use silicones, this is just a little warning for y'all. The other 2 products are silicone free, but this one does have some dimethicone in it. But it's the Trader Joe's Nourish Spa Conditioner. This is like $2.99 and it gets the job done. It also is a great conditioner that has a lot of slip. But usually what I'll do is I'll just go in with the leave-in. So for today's video, I'm gonna go in with the Tropical Moringa Sealing Cream, and I'll just squeeze out about this much. I'll go in a little bit at a time, like through half of my hair and the other half, and then I'll take some of the Sunny Isle Jamaican black castor oil and kind of just mix that in. Now this Jamaican black castor oil, I'm warning you now, it don't smell good, it don't smell good, it don't smell good. That's why I like to pair it with a good smelling sealing cream. Not that it matters, but the regular Jamaican black castor oil from Sunny Isle don't smell good. Normally I get the lavender one, but they never have the lavender one anytime I go to the store anymore, so that's why I just have the regular one. But now I just kind of like smooth this over my hair like this. Usually I'll go in smaller sections at a time, and you can, but I'm kind of just being lazy and I kind of want to be quick about it because my hair is low-key drying as we're talking, and the best time to do this is when your hair is wet so that your hair can really soak up all of this product that you're putting into it. But I just put a little bit of the oil, and then I'm going to go in with some more of the sealing cream. So basically, like I mentioned, what these two products will do is they're basically just going to protect and seal your hair and prevent any of that chlorine or salt water from really getting in there and drying out your hair. And you want to be sure to concentrate the product on your ends just so they're really protected, because we know the ends are the oldest part of our hair and they tend to be the driest. And then especially in the front as well, especially if you do notice that the front of your hair or even the crown of your hair has a lot of frizz. Essentially, you just want your whole hair to be properly saturated with whatever products you're putting in. And another tip that I would recommend to y'all is make sure you just like massage your scalp with some of that oil or that leave-in, just so you're protecting your scalp as well, so it doesn't get dried out from that chlorine or that pool water. Plus, it feels amazing, and you know what? Stimulating your scalp also stimulates that hair growth, so we like that too. The last tip that I have for y'all is to use some type of protective style. So whether you put your hair in a bun, a braid, a twist, whatever. Usually for me, if I know I'm just gonna be swimming around, I'll throw my hair in a bun like this. And half of the time, if I'm gonna be really honest, I don't have the patience to like braid my hair or to twist out my hair. I will likely just leave it out like this and then just jump in the pool, or you know, dive into the ocean or whatever. And it doesn't really bother me. But usually the benefits of using a protective style or putting your hair in a bun, one, it kind of keeps all of the product that you put into your hair all concentrated up there, and two, it also just prevents your hair from getting tangled, especially as you swim and as you flip your hair around throughout the water. That's just something that I've noticed. If I do wear my hair out too long while I'm in the ocean, or if I'm in the pool, my hair will start to feel really tangled. So usually that's why I do like to just put it up in a clip, but for now I'm just gonna, you know, let it be out because I'm not gonna be jumping into an ocean right now or a pool. But that's definitely another tip that I would recommend to y'all. Just use some type of protective style if you notice that your hair is starting to get kind of tangled. And yeah, those are basically the tips and things that I like to do to make sure that my hair is properly protected from the pool/ocean water. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I didn't mention this in the beginning of the video, but we hit 19,000 subscribers. Like what? Like, thank you guys so much. Like I don't even have words. Like I'm shook. Thank you. I can't even picture that many people, and we're just one step closer to 20,000 subscribers, which is crazy to me. And just know, once we get to 20,000 subscribers, I definitely have a big giveaway planned out. So be sure to tell, you know, your mom, your dad, your sister, uncle, cousin, sister, friends, whatever, mailman, to subscribe to the channel. And speaking of giveaway, I know I had the giveaway from my declutter video, which ended today, and I'll be selecting a winner sometime later today, if not tomorrow, and I'll announce it in my video on Saturday. So stay tuned for my video on Saturday to find out if you won. But thank you again for watching. Thank you for 19,000 subscribers, and if you made it all the way to the end of this video, comment the word water down below, just because we're trying to protect our hair from that ocean/pool water. So comment the word water with maybe, you know, some swimming emojis, some ocean emojis, some, you know, water droplet emojis, whatever your heart desires. But just be sure to comment the word water down below if you made it all the way to the end of this video. But thanks again for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. I will love you if you do. I won't hate you if you don't, but I will love you if you do. But thanks again, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.